From the interior of the loco shop, we see Trackmobile 4150 on the ramp. The shop supervisor is giving a job briefing to the crew, Hank and Frank, to bring a gondola loaded with 2 new prime movers from the yard to the shop. Hank and Frank move the Trackmobile onto the transfer table and start their journey to the yard. With the Trackmobile safely on board, the transfer table moves down to a clear track to access the yard. Hank moves the Trackmobile off the transfer table past the ready tracks and onto the turntable. As access is gained to the correct track, Hank moves the Trackmobile into the yard. With the Fat controller watching, Hank makes a rough coupling to the gondola, which almost throws Frank off the platform. The Fat controller isn't amused by the rough coupling and is seen saying something to the crew.
What do you think you are doing?
The crew moves the loaded gon back towards the turntable. Here, the crew turns the loaded gon 180 degrees, so it will be able to head into the shop first. Once aligned, Hank moves the gon towards the transfer table. Now the transfer table moves off to Bay 2 of the loco shop with the loaded gon. The Trackmobile is seen moving the gon into Bay 2. As the Trackmobile sits on the ramp, the fat controller is again seen speaking with the crew. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos and follow me on Instagram at CR4114HO.